Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. In this video we'll be making clay model number 33, which is a Windsor bean. A Windsor bean is also known as a broad bean or a fava bean. It's a large, flat, green bean that grows inside a thick, fuzzy green pod. For this clay modeling series, we're working through the book, A Manual of Clay Modeling by Unwin. This book was originally published in 1912 and is apparently the book that was used by Charlotte Mason in her teaching of clay modeling. We are working through all 60 models from this book, so if you're a homeschooling family following the Charlotte Mason method and would like some minor guidance, come follow us, subscribe to our channel, and we'll do it all together. Now, just a couple things before we get started. We are really excited to share with you that we have opened an Etsy shop called Happy Handicrafts Shop, where we'll be selling many of our Happy Handicraft projects that you've watched us create. We'll also have some creations that we've made just for fun. So if you see something that you love, it's a great way to support us and to help keep this channel going. I'll put a link to it below. Also, be sure to check the notes in the description for a list of materials needed for this project and for a download of the biggest list of homeschool handicrafts on the internet. Pause this video for a moment so you can get that, and then let's get started.